Hello guys, we are back with a new knowledgeable video. In this video, we will guide how to read a stock charts step by step and how professionals watch trading charts. In this video, we go through everything you need to know about a stock charts and how you can start reading them to find high probability trades. First of all, let us know what is a stock chart. A stock chart shows you a visual representation of what price has done over a certain period of time. For example, you could be looking at a 50-minute stock chart that shows what the price is doing every 50 minutes, or you could be looking at a long-term chart such as weekly chart. Stock charts are used to quickly get an idea of what price has done in history and what it could do in future. Many technical analysis and price action trades will use this sort of chart to find pattern and trends to help them find their trades. As we discussed below, you can find many high probability price patterns on your stock charts that can help you make trades. The example chart on the screen is a chart of Coca-Cola showing you the different price movements higher and lower. Now we will explain the different charts that you can use in your stock trading that will show you different information. They each have their pros and cons. First, line chart. This is the simplest of all stock market charts. This chart also has the least amount of information and just one line moving higher and lower. As price moves higher or lower, the line chart will be updated from a line. This type of chart is good for quickly spotting potential trends and also marking supports and resistance. Second, bar charts. The bar charts and candlestick chart are similar. The bar chart shows you more information than the line chart, as it also shows you the open, close, high and low that price made for each session. For example, chart on the screen is bar chart. The left tip or wing shows where the price opened. The bar high and low shows how far the price moved, and the tip on the right is where the price closed. Third, Japanese candlestick charts. This is the most popular chart of all charts. This candlestick shows you the same information as the bar chart. It also includes a body to suit your own needs. In this chart, you can easily see if the price has moved higher or lower. For example, the chart on the screen clearly shows that the red candles are bearish candle where the price has moved lower, and the green candles are bullish candle where the price has moved higher. Now we will explain how to read charts. After choosing the type of chart you will use, you will then want to start analyzing these charts to find and manage trades. Looking the trend. Trading with the trend can reward you the low running winning trades that can be minimal risk and tend to run for long periods. Every trend has pullbacks where price makes a move against the trend until the trend fails. It can offer high probability trades. For example, chart shows on screen its price is on trend higher. Price makes regular moves and swings lower against the trend, but the overall trend continues moving higher. The swings lower the trend can be the best place to look for trend trading entries. This will give a high reward trading entry. Second, using support and resistance. Support and resistance are some of the most common forms of trading across all different market and time frames. Where using this, you can either look for support or resistance or bounce or for a breakout. For example, chart shows on screen the price moves into an important area of support. This could be a higher probability area to look for long trades before the price rejects the support level and moves back higher. Third, adding important indicators. Stock trades use indicators in their charts analyzing to get an idea on what price could potentially do in that future. One most popular indicator is 200 moving average. The 200 period moving average can give you a quick indication of the overall price trend, and it can be also used as dynamic support and resistance. For example, chart shown on screen, we can see the price continuously stays below the 200 period moving average. It rejects it as resistance and moves lower. 4. Volume. Volume is the amount of shares that are being traded. When the price is moving higher with increased volume, it is normally seen as a good sign that a stock is strong and healthy. The opposite is also true. When the price starts falling and the volume is increasing, this means the stock is gaining momentum lower. If the volume starts to become less and less after a large move higher or lower, it could be a sign that a potential reversal in the opposite direction on the way. So friends, we hope that you have understood well how to read charts and analyze them. We have made all efforts to explain in the easiest way. If you liked our video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel to connect with our every knowledgeable video. We will back with other informative videos soon. Thank you.